What's up guys? Pausunod pa ako ka sports. Magbigay lang ako ng reaction sa laban po ng Germany at saka ng Greece. Ang Germany po ang nanalo pero kinabahan din ang Greece dito kasi naman in the first quarter, alam mo kung anong score ng Germany? 11 points lang. At yun, buti na lang nakahabol sila. Pag-usapan natin kung ano nangyari at ito po yung sasabihin ko sa inyo. I have a feeling na Germany posibleng mag-champion dito. Of course, aside from the US. Alam ko maraming hindi asang-ayon dito dahil syempre lamang na lamang ang United States. But somehow sa feeling ko parang gusto ko manalo ang Germany. But I think US ang mananalo. But sa puso ko, alam mo na yun, yeah, puso ko, Germany, but Team USA, I think, is still the strongest team. And that's the truth. But the reason why I feel that Germany has a chance, again, they're the FIBA World Champion. At pinakita nila dito, they are vulnerable. Yes, kasi 11 points lang sila. Pero nakagawa sila ng adjustment. And this is big, against Giannis at Tukumpo na nagwawala dito sa laro na ito. Germany was able to hold down itong Greece for 3 quarters. Nung first quarter, Germany ang naka-11 points. Pero from the second to the fourth quarter, if you look at the quarter scoring, 15, 16, and 11 points, binawian nila ng 11 points lang ang binigay nila sa kalaban nila sa Greece. Kaya naman sa aking pananaw, nakikinita-kinita ko na Germany would probably go to the finals. But at the end of the day, pagdating po ng finals, yun ang pag USA makatapat nila. I think they will be match up against France or Canada. And like what I said, I think Canada ang mananalo doon. Canada mananalo doon. And then Canada and Germany, I think Germany. And then pagdating doon, yung finals, USA most probably, doon na magkakaalaman. And basta, I think the system of Germany, since na napanood ko sila sa World Cup, I think kaya nilang talunin ng US. Kahit na puro stars. Alam ko may magsasabi dito sa comment section, sir, di mangyayari yan kasi andyan si LeBron, nandiyan si Kevin Durant, nandiyan si admittedly, lamang. But isang napakalaking sampal talaga to at napakalaking storyline in Olympic basketball pag ma-upset. And I use the word upset kahit na parang disrespect ito ng konti sa Germany because sila ang world champion eh. Pero syempre, we already know that US pa rin ang consider the powerhouse in basketball. But let me tell you this. I think talaga, I have a big feeling na Germany would be the potentially the champion sa Olympics. Ano sa tingin nyo? Nananaginip ba ako? Comment nyo nga.